Have you ever found yourself lost or searching for a specific location? Coordinates can lead you right there. Coordinates are a pair of numbers that pinpoint a location on Earth's surface, made up of latitude and longitude. To get started, open Google Maps on your device. You can use either the app or website. Tap on the search bar at the top. This is where you'll enter your coordinates. Enter the coordinates in this format: latitude first, followed by longitude, separated by a comma. Once entered, hit search and watch Google Maps navigate you to your destination efficiently. For best results, ensure you have a stable internet connection while using Google Maps. Double-check your coordinates for accuracy. A small error can lead you miles off course. Explore the satellite view for a more detailed perspective of your destination. Feel free to save locations for future reference, making navigation simpler next time. Finally, don't hesitate to share coordinates with friends for group adventures. Now you're ready to master Google Maps and navigate like a pro.